Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we break down the nitty-gritty of gadgets so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the drone zone with two contenders, the Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal, 4K GPS drone, and the iStone 5 drone. It's the battle of the skies, folks. Let's see which one will make you the next Spielberg and which one might just crash and burn. Ready? Let's fly! First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. The Potensic ATOM is a wallet-crunching $449. Yeah, you heard that right. For that price, it better come with a personal butler. On the other hand, the iStone First at 5 is a more budget-friendly $119. You could buy 4 iStone i5s and still have enough left for a decent dinner. So if you're looking to save your pennies for something like, I don't know, food or rent, the iStone i5 is your go-to. Now, onto the cameras. Potensic ATOM boasts a 4K camera with a Sony CMOS sensor and a 3-axis gimbal. That's right, folks, this thing will make your shaky hands look like they belong to a surgeon. Reviewers love the excellent picture and video quality, noting that it rivals even more expensive drones. Meanwhile, the iStone i5 offers a 1080p camera. Not bad, but let's be real, comparing 4K to 1080p is like comparing filet mignon to a hot dog. Some users have found the video quality to be poor, with stuttering issues. If you're serious about your aerial shots, Potensic ATOM takes the cake. And probably your wallet too. Flight time is crucial. No one wants their drone to go down faster than your hopes after New Year's resolutions. The Potensic ATOM comes with 3 batteries, giving you up to 96 minutes of flight time. That's almost an entire movie. Reviewers appreciate the long battery life and range. The iStone SM5, on the other hand, offers up to 30 minutes with its 2 batteries. It's like comparing a marathon runner to someone who can barely finish a 5K. Some users have mentioned issues with the drone losing connection and flying away. If you want to stay airborne longer, Potensic ATOM is your guy. Alright, let's talk portability. The Potensic ATOM is lightweight, less than 249 grams, and comes with a storage bag. It's like carrying around a feather in a cute purse. The iStone i5 is also compact and foldable, fitting right into your pocket. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Both are great for taking on your adventures, but the iStone S5 might just win this round for its sheer pocketability. Plus, who doesn't want to say they have a drone in their pants? Features, features, features. Potensic ATOM is loaded with visual tracking, quick shots, and beginner-friendly auto return. It's like the James Bond of drones, always ready for an epic escape. Reviewers love its stability and fun features like track, follow, and orbit. The iStone i5 offers headless mode, one-key start landing, and hand gesture photo, video. It's more like the MacGyver of drones, simple, effective, and gets the job done. However, some users have reported issues with the controls and reliability. If you're a tech nerd, go for Potensic ATOM. If you just want to have some fun without reading a manual, the size of War and Peace, iStone i5 is your buddy. So what do the reviewers say? The Potensic ATOM is praised for its excellent video quality, long battery life, and advanced features, making it a great option for serious enthusiasts. However, some users have noted minor issues with reception and software. On the other hand, the iStone version 5 is appreciated for its affordability and portability, but has received criticism for its poor camera quality, control issues, and reliability problems. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Potensic ATOM is like the Tesla of drones, high-tech, expensive, and makes you look super cool. The iStone i5 is like your trusty old Toyota, reliable, affordable, and gets you where you need to go. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. If you've got the cash to burn and want all the bells and whistles, go for the Potensic ATOM. If you're on a budget but still want to enjoy the skies, the iStone ANS5 is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.